So it is a miracle. It is raining. So I'm going to show you while I get the map. I shouldn't really take my iPad outside, but I'm going to. Rain. Oh my god. It's rain. I'm gonna melt. It's rain. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at that. It's rain. Rain, rain, rain. I don't know. It's crazy, dude. So what we're gonna do is get the mail. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. It's raining. It's raining stuff. It hasn't rained here like this in a couple months. Oh, look, a stash. Ah, yeah. Let's see. Oh, all I see is Lefty's little library of fly fishing. So, let's see. Which I don't think would be that exciting. Chase. Oh, I don't get anything. Nobody sends me presents. Somebody should send me a card or a present. Please. Please, I want friends. Please. Peas and rice. Let's go back inside. Oh. Oh. Okay. Look at that. My thing's all wet now. That's what she said. Ah. 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 How do you... Okay. Let's see what we got. We have Sandia Labs. We have fly fishing things. We have a pretend chase thing. We don't even have a credit card. Coupons from my mom, because she goes to tools. She gets tools a lot. Present from Logistics. Woo! And coupons. This is why my life sucks.